Major movement in Washington tonight as lawmakers try to help families struggling to find baby formula.
President Joe Biden invoked the Defense Production Act today, allowing the government to work with several suppliers to produce key ingredients in formula. The president also launched a program that will use military aircraft to import the formula.
And tonight we're also learning that the U.S. House passed a bill providing $28 million in emergency funding for the FDA. The administration is working with Abbott Nutrition to boost production while maintaining safety standards. However, the FDA won't get the money until the bill is passed in the Senate. New at 10, a pro-abortion rights group wants Arizona voters to decide if abortion should be legal in the state. This in the wake of the leaked Supreme Court draft opinion, which would overturn Roe v. Wade.
But as Team 12's Bianca Bono reports, they will have to work very quickly in order to qualify for the November ballot. Bianca?
Yeah, guys, organizers of this effort recognize it's going to be an uphill battle to make that happen.
I really value the care that we provide for women in Arizona.
But Phoenix doctor Nicole Monner says that care may be forced to change if Roe v. Wade is overturned, which would trigger an abortion ban in Arizona due to an existing law outlawing the procedure.
I'm worried that this is the start to the government interfering with private matters that happen between a physician and a patient.
That's why a group of pro-choice advocates filed this, a ballot initiative application to try to let voters in November decide if abortion should be a constitutional right in Arizona.
We will look at all options to stop this measure.
Kathy Herod, president of the Center for Arizona Policy, which advocates for anti-abortion policies, believes the measure is too broad.
It's an extreme measure that would enshrine abortion rights in our state constitution. It doesn't reflect where the majority of Arizonans are at.
Getting the initiative in front of Arizonans won't be easy. After filing the application Monday, advocates need to gather more than 356,000 signatures by July 7th and are working with volunteers and paid signature gathering firms to do so. Then the majority of Arizona voters would have to approve it.
Should this initiative happen or move into place, that would mean that this would not be a state where abortion would automatically be illegal should Roe v. Wade be overturned.
Now, this measure says abortions would be allowed before a fetus is viable, but doesn't give a specific number of weeks. Instead, it says viability would be determined by, quote, good faith medical judgment. We're live in the Alert Center tonight. Bianca Bono, 12 News at 10.